Japan, this East Asian archipelago, dazzles with diverse geography and a rich history. It comprises 4 main islands. Honshu, the largest island, hosts bustling cities like Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka, framed by the stunning Japanese Alps. Japan's rugged mountains shaped its historical isolation and defense, while its surrounding seas fostered trade and cultural exchange. From ancient feudal times to its rise as a modern powerhouse, Japan's position along the Pacific Ring of Fire means earthquakes and volcanic activity are part of its dynamic natural tapestry.
Welcome to week 3, and we are going to take you traveling with us from Kyoto all the way to Nagoya. And I have a secret mission, guys. I need to find Totoro. You know, this cute, adorable, but weird cat in the anime. All right, and we are in Ayarashima bamboo forest. Let's see if it's there. Totoro? 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 Huh, no Totoro here.
Where's Totoro?
First up, Fushimi Inari Shrine, famous for its 1,000-story gates winding up Mount Inari. This shrine is dedicated to the Shinto god of rice and sake.
So you will find this Shinto shrine in the south of Kyoto, and it dates back to 794. That's how old it is. Alright, so we've just been going up Fushimi Inari mountain and shrine, as you can see. And here, let's talk a bit about the Torii gates. They're called Torii gates. And we have around 10,000 of them around the shrine. And they're usually made of wood and stone. But nowadays, you also have stainless steel, okay? Yeah, you know, modernization. And what is fun about it is that on the side here, you can see that you have the sponsors of the gates, okay? They can be individuals or companies. And they are donating those gates, and that's what makes this shrine so special and just remarkable.
Next, we visit the Kinkakuji, or Golden Pavilion, a Zen Buddhist temple covered in gold leaf. This stunning temple reflects beautifully in the surrounding pond.
Alright guys, have you ever seen something sublime? This temple is gorgeous. Check it out. Totoro? いますか? あなたも清水寺に見に行きました? Totoro? どこですか? Totoro? Alright guys, I think I found Totoro, but it looks like it's the fake one. Totoro? Is that you? こんなものか。あんなものじゃないな。It's fake. Okay, let's keep looking.
Now we're heading to Gion, Kyoto's famous geisha district. Here in Kyoto, they are called geiko, and their apprentices are known as maiko.
Gion is the most popular and the largest geisha district.
in Kyoto with the biggest population of geisha. And the meaning of the geisha district is a center of a geisha show business. So the all elements needed for the show business here in the district. For example, artist. Artist means Geiko and Maiko, the performers. In Kyoto, there's two geishas. So the apprentice geisha called Maiko and professional geisha called Geiko. Yes. And the geisha itself, the meaning is Japanese traditional female artist. In the first year, they're not gonna debut on the stage. They just follow Geiko and Maiko as an assistant. So they keep doing that for the next 5 years. Now, after 6 years in total, they will debut on the stage as a professional geisha called Geiko at 21 or 22 years old. That's how they become Geiko and Maiko.
Alright guys, let's talk about geisha, or shall I say geiko. This is how they are called in Kyoto. You need to know something. They are not prostitutes, okay? They are here to entertain gentlemen in the evening. Sure, they dance, they sing, and they drink with them, but they are not prostitutes, all right? So Maiko, apprentice, and Geiko, professionals, and it takes around 6 years for them to get to that level. Let's respect them.
Totoro がありますか？どこか知っていますか？
그래서 genre 뭐 전체에서 안에 런들이 참 어덜이 들어.
でもここにないんでしょうね。はいはい、わかりました。ありがとう。Alright, Totoro is not here, so we'll keep looking for it.
Welcome to Nagoya. Our first stop is Nagoya Castle, a symbol of the city's history and resilience. Let's explore its grand architecture and beautiful gardens. Meet Kei, our host and new friend from Nagoya. At 40, Kei made the bold decision to quit his job as a delivery man to pursue his dream of traveling the world. His goal? To visit horse racing tracks around the globe and connect with people from all walks of life. An avid reader, Kei's journey also includes mastering English, a skill that will help him achieve his dreams and open doors to new experiences. So we are accompanied by our host and friend Kei. Hey Kei, おはようございます。
おはようございます。
はい。Kei, 名古屋から来ました？
名古屋で生まれて名古屋で育ちました。
わあ、だからローカルですよね。
そうです。
今は名古屋城にいて、名古屋城に来たことがありますか？
名古屋城は来たことあります。
ないのか？
名古屋城はありますよ。
でも
小学校の時にピクニックで
だから
遠足で
小さいの時に
そう
忘れちゃったけど。
忘れちゃった。もう全然覚えてないよ。
はいはい。Alright, so let's go. We are in Nagoya Castle, also called Homaru Palace. Now, you will see more people in 1 hour visiting this place than a sushi bar in a whole lunchtime. This castle has stood the test of time, and it has a perfect blend of art and architecture. I just love it. From history to the future, we are now at Oasis 21 in the Sakai district, a futuristic shopping complex with a stunning glass roof. Hey guys, the view from here is insane, so beautiful. We can see the Ferris wheel from here. We can see the whole of Sakai district. And the design of this rooftop is unique. I mean, check out the water. I want to swim, guys.
Nagoya Science City Museum is a must visit for curious minds. It boasts one of the world's largest planetariums, hands-on exhibits and interactive displays, making science fun and accessible for all ages. Perfect for a day of discovery. Let's go.
Don't go so fast. No, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Are you this one? Where are you? Let me call my colleagues here. Whew. Okay.
Our final stop in Nagoya today is the Osu district, famous for its street food, quirky shops, and vibrant nightlife. Special mention for its fried pork. It's delicious.
美味しそうですよね。ケイ、このプレートを教えてくれませんか？
そうかつ
うん。
キャベツ
とんかつ何ですか？とんかつ何ですか？牛か何ですか？豚。ポークですよね。
を
はい。
揚げた
これは何ですか？
味
噌スープ。外国人大好き。味噌スープ。そう。
Japanese as well as foreigners come here to enjoy the street views, the shops, and the amazing food.
Wow, それは何？アニメ大好き。Hey, give me 5. はい。夢がありますか？
競馬の大レースを
お
世界中見に行きたい。
そうですか。はい。すごいな。Alright, after Alice in Wonderland, Alice on Wednesdays.
I really needed a break from all this bustling and whispering. I needed to get home and catch some rest.
Totoro. どこいますか、トトロ。トトロ
Totoro! Where are you? I know I am in the right forest. We are going to find Totoro. Here and today.
Totoro. Totoro, where are you? Totoro. Totoro, where are you? Doko desu ka?
Am I in the presence of Totoro? Did I finally find Totoro? Oh. I found Totoro. I'm so happy. Yes. Totoro, I love you.
Wow. I finally found Totoro. Or did I? Well, you'll have to come to Ghibli Park by yourself and find out.
Thanks for joining me on this amazing adventure through Kyoto and Nagoya. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more. See you in Tokyo.
Yes? Eh? What is this? Japan. Okay. Oh my god, I'm scared. Let's see. What is this about? Japanese challenge. Learn manga drawing in 1 week. Create your own manga to pass the challenge. Oh my god. Alright guys, so I know I need to go to Tokyo to learn how to draw manga, and I cannot draw to save my life, so let's go. I am ready. And you? Let's do this.